Hi, today I have a very beautiful, simple, yet a very intricate project. So stay with me till the end and I promise you will learn too much out of this project today. Hi, this is Smriti from Simply Crafted for Handmade today. So for this project, these are all the products that we will be needing. So let's go over all these products one by one in detail. We will be needing for stenciling, basically we will be needing extra heavy gel modeling paste, or you can also use glossy gel medium from Stamperia. Both of them work equally fine. Then we will need a heart mesh stencil from, it's a 6x6 stencil from Craft Angles. You can use any other stencil as well. For the chalky paints we need botanical teal, then snow white, followed by moss green. Then we will also use pale daffodils and cool jade. These are the colors in chalky paints. In acrylics we need antique gold, burnt sienna and black. Basically we will mix them and make a antique color. Then in reactive foils we need yellow gold color and tacky glue to apply the reactive foils. So these are all the products that we will be needing to make our product. Now what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So to start with, I have basically made some molds in Prima mold with clay and I've already dried them. And this is a flexible clay that I have used. Now I will take the center of the bottle and with the help of these modeling pastes and extra heavy gel body medium, I will stick these the way I want onto the bottle. Yes, the effect that will come towards the end is going to just blow your mind. Simple tricks, simple tips, but a beautiful project in making. Once we stick them in their place, then we will move on to stenciling. Now that my motifs are stuck, I am going to start stenciling. Yes, this is a 6x6 stencil which I will be using. It has all hearts. It's a heart mesh. I will use a Cadence spray basically to make this stencil tacky so that it sticks to the surface because I have a curved surface. This acts really well. So now that it is tacky, I'm just going to stick it in its place, and with a heavy gel body medium I'm going to do stenciling so that I have a very raised effect and it will give me very good dimensions and texture. So once I've done this and it is completely dry, that is when I will give a first coat of gesso, or you could also give a coat with snow white chalky paints. Now that our canvas is ready, let's start. So the first thing I'm going to use is Botanical Teen Chalky Paint. Now once this is dry, I will give a coat of moss green on top of it. Now please note, it is not something that I will cover completely, but at the same time I will give a good coat. Once the second coat is dry, now I'm going to dry brush with white. Snow White chalky paints. Yes, you can see dry brushing really brings out the elements very well. So I will dry brush on the entire bottle. Now we come to the next paint color, which is pale daffodils. Yes, after we've done white, we will do pale daffodils. Make sure each and every step you dry your product or bottle or whatever you're making completely. That is when you will get the proper effect and the colors will not smudge with each other and not blend with each other. So here it is. My bottle is ready. All my paint steps have been done. The layering has been done. Now I need to give a little antique finish. So if you have an antique bronze color, you can straight away start using that. Since I did not have that, I took a couple of colors, mixed them together to create my own antique color, which I was satisfied with. And again, I'm going to dry brush it on all the edges and all the elevated surfaces. It really brings out the effect very beautifully. The patina effect also comes out really well while doing this, and actually that whole vintage look comes out so beautiful that it will just blow your mind away. A word of caution over here: while we are doing the antique effect on any product, please be patient. Please understand, it's taken years and years and years for something to turn into an antique. And while we are trying to replicate that, we should make sure that it takes us some time. So be patient and you will actually like the effect. Well, antique without a touch of gold or a hint of gold does not work, does it? So let's bring out our reactive foils. Yellow gold was my color of choice over here, and using it with tacky glue, it made my work really easy, and so it kind of played a hide and seek over here. It stuck where I wanted, it did not where I did not want, and especially because of the texture, the result that came out was fabulous. Do share your views about this tutorial. They really mean a lot to us. Try and make this product. I would be really happy to see what you've done. So keep following us everywhere and watch this video till the end. Thank you so much for being with us. Bye.